ಚುನಾವಣೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನಗೆ ನಾನು ಸಿಕ್ಕರೆ ಕಾಲಗಳು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೊಡೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಈಗ ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಇದು ನಾವು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ನಿಗೆ ನಾಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಈ ದೇಶದ ಪ್ರಜೆ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳತಕ್ಕಂತ ಹಕ್ಕು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಯಾವ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ನವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಜನತಾದಳದವರು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಜೆಪಿಯವರು ಮೊದಲೇ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಕಲಿಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಈ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸಮಗ್ರವಾದಂತಹ ಪ್ರಜೆ ಆಗಿ ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಅರ್ಹರಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ, ಇನ್ನೇನು 20 ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್, 15 ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಅನ್ನೋಟಿಗೆ ಖುಷಿ.
Now we are looking that Congress leader G.S. Manjunath, who is also the Vice President of the Labour Department, has gone ahead and made derogatory remarks against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He stated after reducing the prices of the LPG by 100 rupees, he's saying that why is this an election gimmick and why this has to be done. He's also stated that whatever he's wearing in his foot, he will hit with that to the Prime Minister. Such below the belt and derogatory statements, how do you look at this?
See, derogatory statements and bad mouthing, it is the property of the Congress party. Not only these small leaders, their highest leaders, Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Siddaramaiah, everybody use the same language for the Pradhan Mantri and President of India also. Last month you might have seen in Kannada, Avulu means
In singular manner.
it is a singular manner. See, we cannot mention all these words to a higher level persons. We have to go by respect. But this become a common in Congress party. See, any language, even filthy language also they used to mention these leaders. It is a very, very unfortunate, what I can say. And bringing down 100 rupees for the cylinder, it is a process, continuous process. Even 6 months, maybe by 6 months, 200 rupees has been reduced. Now 100 rupees reduced. Maybe it may go up or it may come down. It is a process. Government has to do. Even state governments, central governments will do that. Why these people want to give this such type of statements for all this?